Put the leaf of this plant on the soles of your feet and see what happens. This trick could help you or one of your relatives. You need to know this trick. I'm going to show you what this plant can do when you put it on the soles of your feet. Many people don't know or even imagine what this unusual trick is for. But I guarantee that once you learn it, you'll do it immediately and thank me for the rest of your life. This is a plant that has great properties for taking care of our health. The properties it brings us are very interesting for the internal care of the body. But before I show you what happens when you put the leaf of this plant on the soles of your feet, I'm going to show you some tricks with this plant that will be very useful. And you didn't know one of them. It cures gingivitis and kills mouth bacteria. If your gums bleed when you brush your teeth, you may be suffering from gingivitis. To cure this problem, simply cut a leaf into small pieces. Then put it in a blender. Also add a few mint leaves and finally a tablespoon of baking soda. Now cover the pan and turn the blender on at maximum speed. Leave it on for 30 seconds until the leaves release their liquid. This technique helped me a lot. I spent a long time suffering from it. Now we take this paste and brush with it. Do this for a week and you'll see how healthy your gums become again. Decongest your nostrils. In these days of viruses and polluted air, nobody stays at home with blocked nostrils, unable to breathe freely. The solution to this problem is to take the liquid from a St. George's wort leaf. Place it in a clean sieve and extract its juice. Then, with a dropper, extract the liquid and place 3 drops in both orifices. This will free up the nostril passages. Number 3. Reduces inflammation and heals wounds. If you have an injury or one of your children falls and the skin is torn, immediately put a leaf of St. George's sword in a blender. Then pass it through a sieve to collect the juice from the leaf. Next, take plastic wrap like this. Pour all the juice onto it. Now just place it on the wound. St. George's wort leaf, thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, disinfects and heals wounds. And without further ado, let's get down to our main trick. Place the leaf on the soles of your feet. It reduces a child's fever, or an adult, like our mother. It's very worrying for a mother or a child. And acetaminophen and suppositories often don't bring down the fever. At times like these, we crush a leaf of this wonderful plant. We take the juice and separate it from the liquid. Transfer the juice to plastic wrap like this and place it on your feet and also on your feverish forehead. This will miraculously reduce the body temperature. Did you know about the benefits of the sword of St. George? Many people are unaware of the powers this plant possesses. Sansevieria, also known as mother-in-law's tongue, tiger's tongue, St. George's sword, and many other names. It is a very easy plant to grow and care for. Which of these tips about this plant did you like the most? I hope to see you in the next video. May God be with you all.